This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for field piece, Bacharach, and tester equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. Morning guys, it's June 10th, 2019. This one here, I gotta go do a service on an air conditioner. I said the outside unit's humming when he runs it. So, probably go over there, and he says he's put new filters inside. And it's one of these older RUUD units. So I'll probably take it apart, make sure that it's clean, hit it with a hose. Start it up, check the charge. It's an older RUUD system, so I know it's got a piston in it. And he says the outside unit is humming, so I'm thinking that's a contactor issue. And I have changed a contactor there a couple of years ago, I believe. Well, we'll have to listen to it. See what he's talking about. Might be quite the hummer. Yeah, it might be quite the hummer. You want to drive? Oh, I know you love driving. You love driving. I know you love driving. You love driving. He's got a couple of returns there in the filters. Filters are clean. We'll have to check the unit upstairs there. What we got for a wet bulb? 57. What we got there for now? This is the unit up there. Probably just not running. It's not really cool in here. It's really 65. Replace fan switch relay 2016. That was a few years ago, 3 years ago. We'll have to go check it outside. Alright, so our wet bulb's 58 inside here. Sounds like the compressor. Not good. Subcooling. I'm gonna have to give this unit a good cleaning. Suction pressure's a little lower than I like. Get the hose out. See, it's a little on the dirty side. Pressure's not sounding so hot there, Mama. Not sounding so hot there. Get the hose out. Give it a douche. is the best way to do it. Always spray from the inside out. You can. I mean, if it's really bad, you could use coil cleaner, but I don't want to spend too much time on this unit because its compressor's not sounding all that good. So he might need a new unit. But when it's high head pressure like that, you clean the condenser and it should come down. Give it a good douche, mama. Not gonna bore you with the cleaning aspect of it, but that's what you want to do. You want to give it a good, clean that coil good. Alright, so I hit it from the inside and then I hit it from the outside. You wonder why I wear these rubber boots. That's why I wear these boots, because they're all rubber. I wear them year round and I ain't gonna worry about the mud. Get the back all clean. We'll start it back up and we'll see what happens. That ain't sounding so good. It's a compressor. Subcoolant's really high. Suction pressure's a little on the low side. Superheat's a little lower than I like it, but the suction pressure's low also. I did clean the coil. Compressor's not sounding all that hot. I'm gonna need a new system really soon. She's not sounding too kosher, mama. Well, I'm gonna leave it right there. I mean, not much else I can do about it. That's lower than I like to see. I like to see that a little bit higher, and I like to see that higher, and I like to see this lower. But I did give it a good cleaning both sides. Clean the back. Time for a new system. Alright guys, I talked to the guy who wants a quote on a new system. Fan's running, he's got the new filters in it. He's a stickler on changing the filters too, so we're just gonna measure it up. There you are. Yeah, it's pretty cold in there. It's like 60, 65, so obviously, you know, suction pressure would go up if it's not gonna be running that low. Hey buddy, I'm leaving. You gonna say bye? No? You miss me. Oh yeah, I know you miss me. I know you miss me. I know you miss me. Yeah, you miss me. I know it. I know you did. You love Daddy. You love Daddy. Oh, I know you love Daddy.